Alright, we live. What's going on, folks? It's your boy KG. I'm back at it again with a couple solar lights from Amazon. I'm about to install these bad boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got some screws. So this is the 3-pack LED solar lights. I actually thought these were going to be a little bit bigger. I have a little walkway right here. I'm going to be placing them up here. As you can see, this is my old security light. It is now deceased and full with water. So what I plan on doing is installing these. Oh, man down. Durability test. I plan on installing these bad boys up here. Hopefully, can you see? Hope they'll get enough light. But yeah, we'll see. BRB. Alright, so folks, we are all done. That's one right there, installed, ready to go. This is one on this side. I wanted to see how it would look. And then we have our last one here. They give out light on the front and on each left, right. So hopefully when I come out this door and it's dark, this whole walkway will be illuminated and good to go. We also have this solar powered security camera that I will also be installing. So that's the panel. This is the camera, Wi-Fi solar. 2019, we lit.